The Morus Compact Laundry Dryer with 15-minute fast drying, featuring Morus Zero technology, offers a convenient and efficient solution for those seeking a space-saving and easy-to-use laundry drying option. One standout feature of the Morus Zero dryer is its 15-minute fast drying capability, ideal for situations where a quick turnaround is crucial. This makes it especially practical for apartment and RV dwellers, allowing them to save valuable time without compromising on the quality of the drying process. The compact design of the Morus portable clothes dryer ensures it is a perfect fit for narrow spaces. Weighing only 28.7 pounds, it's easy to move around, providing flexibility for users with limited space. The simple and sophisticated look adds a touch of elegance to any location, enhancing the overall aesthetic wherever it is placed. Ease of use is a key selling point for the Morus Zero dryer. With no installation required, users can simply plug it in and start drying. The appliance offers 8 drying modes and can intelligently predict drying time, providing added convenience for users looking for an automated and hassle-free drying experience. The Morus Zero portable dryer is not limited to just drying clothes. Its multifunctional capabilities include odor removal and attracting lint and dust. The stainless steel drum rotates in both directions to prevent tangles, ensuring that laundry comes out fluffy and soft, whether it's delicate silk or pet products. Morus stands out by providing 24-hour customer service, backed by a professional technical support team. This commitment to customer satisfaction ensures that users can reach out for assistance if they encounter any issues, or have questions about the product. In conclusion, the Morus Compact Laundry Dryer, with 15-minute fast drying and Morus Zero technology, offers a well-rounded solution for those in need of a space-saving, efficient, and user-friendly drying option. Whether you're a city dweller with limited space or an RV enthusiast on the go, the Morus Zero dryer provides a reliable and convenient laundry solution.